Allora, welcome back, viewers. Of course, we're continuing this beautiful story on Veneto food. Now, of course, the beautiful Odette Tasca, who made us a wonderful dish in Marostica. I guess you kind of think, well, how did I meet her? Well, actually, this is the reason that I met her, because Odette's daughter is called Sofia Cavalli. Welcome to the show.
Grazie, Caterina.
Bene, bene. Now, Sofia, of course, is a real Marosticana, and she's going to share a little bit about her story with us. Now, the dish you wanted to show us, of course, is bacala. Bacala is very famous in the Veneto region. The important thing that I know Sofia is going to tell me is about the story of bacala as we know it, because there is an associazione nel Veneto che si chiama
La Venerabile Confraternita del Baccalà alla Vicentina, nata nel 1987 per tutelare questa ricetta e per ovviamente farla conoscere al di fuori del territorio veneto.
So, what she's saying, in 1987, there was a fraternity, a brotherhood that loved bacala so much that they came up with like the DOC system, the DOC system of wine, and they put together all the things that should make bacala alla Vicentina. And this is what Sofia is going to show us today. È vero?
Sure.
Perfetto. All right, well, let's start with the recipe and then we can have a chat as we go along. Va bene?
Dunque, il primo passo è quello di preparare il soffritto.
So a soffritto is basically a saute, which is going to be with the onion, vero?
Sure, grazie. Le acciughe, che sono già deliscate.
So these are just normal anchovies under oil.
E le tagliamo a pezzi molto fini.
And once again, she's going to cut that very finely. Extra virgin olive oil.
Caterina, per favore, me la metti sul fuoco?
Sì.
Grazie.
So at the very end, we add some parsley. That's it, a nice handful.
Allora, adesso che il soffritto è pronto, possiamo prenderne parte e metterlo sul fondo della nostra...
Circa quanto?
Circa metà, possiamo fare metà.
Okay. So she's
Lo
just
spalmiamo
the
nel
important
fondo.
thing is, faccio bene o no?
Perfect.
So what she's saying, half of this goes on the base,
Yep.
which is where we will be putting our fish, yeah? So, così. So now the fish is going to be just dipped in the soffritto.
Ti dispiace mettere un po' di farina in quella pianella?
Sì.
Molto
We're
gentile.
going to put some flour here.
Grazie. E lo passiamo nella farina.
So each single piece of fish will be dipped into the soffritto and then into the flour and then placed on top. We might do it like this, it might be più facile, dai.
Certo.
That's it.
È importante che il pesce sia distribuito uniformemente sul fondo della ciotola in un unico strato.
All right, so what's important, she's saying, that the fish, once it's dusted with the flour, just to do one full layer side by side in the pan and just cover it, so don't overlap. Bene. And as Sophia is doing that, I must remind our viewers, of course, that with this stock of fish, we must remind you about the difference, because it is all codfish, stockfish, but they call it stockfish in the Veneto, of course, because it is dried, as opposed to the bacala, which is used in the south of Italy, which of course is salted and then dried. So it's just a different form of curing. And of course, it goes without saying that you've got to rehydrate the fish in water. You know, you've got to beat it and then rehydrate it. This has been soaking for about 5-6 days to get it to that soft, moist position. All right. Anyway, all the Italian mums, they already know that, but just to remind the people that are not familiar with this dish.
Adesso possiamo versare il resto del soffritto sopra il pesce.
Posso farlo io?
Certo, io ho le mani un po'.
So what she's saying, the rest of the soffritto is placed on top of the fish. Let's see it.
Sì, verso il latte.
So milk.
il latte deve essere versato in modo da ricoprire tutto il pesce.
And the last part of the dish, she's going to add the grated cheese, which, as she says, grana padano, of course, is what they use in the Veneto, but grana reggiano, which is the king of grana, really. Just a little sprinkling of pepper.
Very minimal. E un po' di sale.
E un po' di sale, ma non tanto, vero?
No.
You've got to put it on a very, very, very low heat. In fact, she doesn't want direct to heat, and normally they would put something in between the flame and the pot. And we are going to use something very simple. Let me have a look here. We don't have that, so we're going to use a grill upside down. So, let's have a look here. Bene. E poi?
La pentola quindi viene messa in cima al rialzo e a fuoco lentissimo si cuoce per almeno 2 ore fino alle 4 ore.
It can, so as Sophia said, minimum is 2 hours, but you can actually even go up to 4 hours because it'll be a slow slimming away of this beautiful stoccapisto bacala. We call it bacala, but it is stoccapisto. And you don't need to cover it, you just want it to gently play with the flame. And
E un'altra cosa, non va mescolato.
the most important thing is you never ever stew. It just has to simmer in the pot like that, yes.
Al massimo può essere gentilmente ruotato durante le ore della cottura.
So during the cooking time, you can just gently turn the pan, but there is no movement. She doesn't want any movement because it's just got to sit there and all the milk and the oil coagulates and it's fantastic. È pronto?
Sì, Caterina, dopo 4 ore di cottura adesso è bello pronto, guarda, è rimasto bello bianco, come la ricetta vuole, è un vero baccalà alla vicentina,
Sì.
sperando che la confraternita, la venerabile confraternita non mi appenda come uno stoccafisso, speriamo.
She's saying that she's hoping that the brotherhood doesn't think she's, played around with the recipe. She's tried to keep it to, as true to the recipe. Can I try it?
Sure.
So let me have a look. Oh yes, I can see. As you can see. Sai cosa è buono? Non è salato, è delicato, è molto morbido. Soft, delicate. This is a perfect recipe. This is a Sophia recipe.